New crib, who this?
Going on, bro? He's taking a shit right now.
Yeah.
Oh! You can walk into my food. Tyler.
Here, what are we here for, Dean?
Our 5 minutes.
So,
dropped a knife.
currently, what the motion is we are here for the Appleton 1080 meet. For the next 3 weeks, we are going to be going all over Wisconsin. Today, we are in Appleton. Next weekend, we'll be in Madison. And the weekend after, we'll be in Beloit. But today, we're in Appleton. We're at the B&B right now. Meet doesn't start for about an hour or two.
It looks a little interesting outside.
Yeah, it's a little poopy out, but... all right! Hey,
What's on?
with this being a semi-last-minute plan to come out to Appleton, how do you think it's going so far?
You turn, look around.
Come down.
I mean, this is like,
Get off the stilts.
this is for a city I've never been in. Y'all showed out tonight. This is fucking gnarly. This is pretty fucking
I can definitely agree.
100%. This is better than some of the paid events I've been getting into. I mean, I've had to pay for money like for these events. This is fucking free. This is nothing but the community here. This is fucking.
That's what we love to hear.
We're having a very good turnout. You want to pan the camera in this direction?
Of course,
Getting pretty interesting vehicles out here, considering for what we're used to. Not to say that we usually get shit boxes, but
And rust buckets. Yeah, get that on film. Hey, mad fucking rust buckets in Janesville, all right? Shit box central.
You don't have a car.
I literally, you don't have a fucking No, I have the Hellcat. It's the Hellcat.
His red eyes in the shop.
Don't let him confuse you. He doesn't have a car. He's got 10 toes with fucking 1 horsepower to the fucking wheel.
No, he
on
almost
that
lost a toe racing someone on
yeah, we actually have video footage of Jaden tripping and falling, racing him.
Yeah,
We'll throw the video up.
Boys. Yeah.
You got that, Logan?
We have video footage of this man racing Logan and losing both of his shoes.
It was my twin brother.
His ass.
We also have video footage.
Skin.
We also have video footage of him racing a car and betting his shoes and losing them.
My other twin brother.
Yeah, he bet his shoes 2 times and lost both times. So glad to say you weren't a
he's
fucking
still
Olympian,
walking in
brother.
those shoes. He got them back by Petty. I think those are the exact ones, aren't they?
These are the exact sandals. These are the exact sandals.
These are Nikes.
That's why you lost.
You gotta,
grew up.
You got a 4-owner.
Oh, hey.
Don't hit us.
Target lock.
Dean, we interviewing the cops?
Make sure you use as a blinker on the way in.
Hey, record this shit.
And they're both
Oh my God, please.
For reference, this is probably the 4th time that they have driven past.
What the fuck?
We're not doing nothing. Woo!
And now they're getting pulled over.
And yeah, we're good.
It's probably time for us to go somewhere else.
Oh, he's from Janesville. Jaden, isn't that the dude with the stick?
Tell me about your car. What do you got?
It's a 1999 Honda Prelude. Got the H22 E-Tech in here. It's 5-speed. I just picked it up last week.
Hell yeah.
I don't know. He's doing maintenance right now, and then probably plan on turboing it.
Sounds like a pretty good plan.
Yeah.
It's pretty clean paint. I like the color. I love the green.
Oh yeah.
The carbon hood looks good too.
Yeah, it's just a wrap. It's just got sun fade on it. It's a Tennessee car, so no rust.
Hey, I'll take faded paint over rust any day.
That's what I'm
especially
saying.
living in the Midwest.
Yeah.
I cannot deal with it. Plenty of stickers.
Hell yeah.
As I say, it's hard to get one. It's just because we typically don't have enough. Like, I hope you understand that.
Bro's crying.
Hey, I'm getting egoed right now.
6'5".
I swear to God.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah. It's got fat ass forehead, that's why.
Clean car, dude. Whose car is that?
I heard it was
I don't know.
Can you see this real quick? We're gonna get rollers of Mason's whip. Oh yeah, the Hyundai. Oh yeah. Get a peek of the blue tips.
Oh yeah, that's sport.
The Hyundai Sport. Cannot forget that it's a sport.
Bro, this thing is titties. I'm telling you.
2.0 T fucking swap. I mean,
This guy knows what he's talking about. Let me tell you.
I know.
He knows what he's talking
like
about.
11 grand. Some slight.
Some slight.
Fat ass turbo on it.
Here, why don't you pop the hood for
I
us?
will listen, not to
Why
that.
don't you pop the hood for us, man?
Okay, you start up, I suppose.
Let's get a little start up. Cold start.
Cold start and rev.
Yeah.
Woo! Just give her a little bum bum. Ooh. Under it. So what's going on over here? You wanna tell me? You wanna tell me what's
pro body work right now?
pro body work going on?
All right, let me open the hood.
You gotta fix that up.
This sounds like a bunch of redneckosity to me.
Yeah, you know, they give me 5 minutes. That thing's either gonna be flat or it's gonna be gone. I'll be honest.
Logan, sit on it.
Let me use it.
Bro, let me get one good sit on it.
Get it.
Pop the hood!
Let him sit on it.
Yeah, hey, let big man sit on it.
One big ass dent right in the center.
There was just a big ass.
That's what we had to pull out.
That's what they just fixed.
You'll just fix it again. Yeah, fix it anyway.
You gotta get that crease out.
Wait, Gabby, get that tip.
Sit on it.
Get that tip.
Hell, who owns it? Oh, all right. Watch out, bro. Hold on.
Don't jump on it, please. Just sit on it. Aw, don't fucking slam on it. Fucking break something else. It's gonna break the plastic. Damn! Alright, pop this fucking.
Better airflow now.
Damn!
Honestly, bro, my opinion, take that hood off.
Aerodynamics.
Oh, will it not come?
Nah, no hood.
No hood, bro. No hood.
Until it fucking rains. Hey,
fair.
somebody's got a toolkit. You can just take it off.
It's winter.
Yeah, who's got that toolkit?
Phantom Action Sports is my for-profit, and then PHT is my non-profit. So we have a charity where we help kids get into action sports, communities, all that.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Yeah, so we got banners, stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, everything.
Is this chrome?
Yeah, well,
Kind of?
it's called gray, but under the light it looks, I don't know. It's supposed to be gray, but you know, I just bought a project car, so. Oh, for real?
Yep. So might as well support.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, man. So last one, so. Thank you. You know what? Keep the chin. All right, thank you.
Somebody over here wanting some free stickers, banners, shirts. Actually, no. Only the stickers are free. My bad. Airball, my fault. But we got merch over here at the stand if you guys are interested. Got some free stickers and shit too. So come get your shit right.
Honestly, I work 2 days next to nobody, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. I work 41 hours a week at Chick-fil-A every fucking week. You be damned. Only 41? 41? Hey, I'm working at Tucks. I'll be damned if I foot race a motherfucker without my phone charged.
He's probably eating half the food there anyways. It doesn't matter.
Pan the camera out. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. No. Look at that fat fuck. You know my knee and shit. Blubber. Straight lard. Yo.
Persevere, Hustle, Thrive. It's my charity that I run.
Oh yeah, dude, that's sick. Let me get a.
It just smacks the body. You see my hat back there.
Yeah!
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Fucking retard.
It's like oh, damn! I'm hard! James a bitch!